In this video, I'll show you how to fix you cannot shrink a volume beyond the point in Windows 11. If you're facing the issue of not being able to shrink a volume beyond a certain point in Windows 11, it is often due to unmovable files like the paging file, hibernation file, or system protection data. First thing you can do is to go ahead and disable hibernation. Go ahead and open command prompt as an administrator and type power cfg.exe /hibernate off and press enter. Another thing you can do is to disable paging files. So right click on this PC in your file manager and then select properties. Go to advanced system settings, head over to performance and head over to settings. Under the advanced tab, click change in virtual memory section and check automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Then select no paging file and click set and restart your PC. And the last resort that you have to resolve this problem is to disable system protection. Open control panel and go to system, click on system protection on the left pane and select the drive and click configure. Choose disable system protection and apply the changes. That's basically how you can fix you cannot shrink a volume behind the point in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.